DOST-PHIVOLCS Director Teresito Bacolcol on the line. Good morning, Director. Thanks for joining
Yes,
us.
good morning, ma'am.
Opo, go ahead.
Yes, sir, we'd like to get straight to it. No? Kamusta na po ang Kanlaon Volcano natin based sa atin latest monitoring?
Okay, so yung eruption kahapon hindi na po nasundan. So hopefully ganun na nga. And, but we're still, again, closely monitoring Kanlaon Volcano. But we've already raised alert level from alert level 1, from low level unrest to alert level 2, meaning moderate level of volcanic unrest.
Meron po ba tayong naitalang mga earthquakes doon po within the area pagkatapos nga po nitong eruption?
Yes, nakapagtala tayo ng volcanic earthquakes between 2 p.m. and June 3 a.m. Kanina, meron tayong earthquake and umaabot po ito ng multiple volcanic earthquake.
Yes, Director, is it true that eruption daw was caused by yung extreme heat na naranasan recently?
No, wala pong kinalaman yung heat wave sa volcanic eruption kasi yung processes that occur volcanic eruption ay nanggaling po sa ilalim ng lupa, hindi po sa ibabaw.
Okay.
Hindi po starting to do with weather patterns.
Okay.
Oo. So, ito pong tinatawag na magmatic eruption. Ano po ba ito? How dangerous this is to the towns near the volcano?
Kapag magmatic eruption sinatira, that will be more violent kasi may fresh supply of magma, fresh supply of volcanic material coming from the deeper part. And to extrude that, you need an eruption would be very violent. But with the history of Kanlaon Volcano since 1866, there was only one event. It was the eruption in 1902, which was magmatic in origin. So most of the eruptions of Kanlaon Volcano are phreatic in its origin.
Okay. Yes, Director, kasi ang dami nagsasalita at nagkukwentuhan na online na itong eruption daw, baka matrigger daw yung ibang volcano pa in the country. Is this true or possible at all?
Hindi po, wala po kinalaman yung activity ng isang vulkan with the activity of other volcanoes. Independent po yung magka-member sila, hindi po yan magkarupto. But there is always also this possibility na pwede makasabay, but has nothing to do with one affecting the other. We have 24 active volcanoes.
Okay.
And there is always this remote possibility na pwede silang sabay. But hindi yan ibig sabihin na this was triggered by another volcano.
Okay.
I understand, the last time na talagang nag-erupt po itong Kanlaon ay nung December 2017. At pero nitong 2020 talagang nakamonitor na po kayo dito sa mga volcanic activities ng Kanlaon. Tama po?
Yes, that's right. And in fact, since 2023, we already issued 5 advisory for Kanlaon Volcano. And the latest advisory that we issued was last May 26 after we recorded 24 volcanic earthquakes in a day. Normally, Kanlaon Volcano would only have 5 or less volcanic earthquakes in a day, but 24 volcanic earthquakes in a day is quite significant.
Lastly, sir, Director, sa ngayon po, bumubuga pa rin po ng mga maiitim na usok doon sa area. Advice na lang po, mensahe po sa mga residente doon.
Again, we advise na we remind people living around the volcano to observe the permanent danger zone, which is 4 kilometers from the crater of the volcano. So, huwag pong pumasok sa loob to minimize risk from sudden explosions like what happened yesterday, rockfall and landslide. We also remind people to wear face masks to protect them from volcanic ash and volcanic gases.
Ayun. Before we go, I'd like to take this opportunity, Director, just to ask, you said there are 24 active volcanoes in the country. Are we monitoring also na other possible eruptions na medyo aktibo pa ngayon na volcano?
Yes, may monitor naman lahat yung mga 24 active volcanoes natin. And so far, 4 lamang out of the 24 active volcanoes are may alert level. Mayon Volcano, Taal Volcano, and Bulusan Volcano are on alert level 1.
Okay.
While Kanlaon Volcano is on alert level 2.
Okay, thank you for that, and thank you for joining us this morning on Brunch, PHIVOLCS Director Teresito Bacolcol.
Thank you also for having me.